This is my review on the Toonly animating software, the Enterprise Edition, which I purchased. First of all, everything works on it except for one thing, which I in my opinion, they were very unclear, or they made a mistake on their advertising. I bought the, as I say, the Enterprise Edition. The Enterprise Edition says you will be able to give your characters a much wider range of expressions. And there is a video here which actually clearly states that. And if you can compare the two, on the standard version 25 expressions, Enterprise 360. Well, let's go back and test this out. The man here, thinking, right? I changed it to thinking. The only expression I can change it to is, well, let's say hi. Let's see what happens. Okay, so there's some sort of facial expression, but it's only dependent on what action the character's doing. The only thing you can actually change on this is all these are actions, not expressions. The only one you can change is, where is it? Angry. That's the only one you can change. There we are, angry. Now, do I want to change it back to happy again or sad? No, it's not there. Maybe if I change the actions, it changes the expression. Let's do exercise, shall we? Yeah, he's doing it. But what if I want to make him sad? Some more examples of different actions. Clearly, I'm not saying they're lying, but I think they've misled potential customers. So please be wary when you buy this. Thank you very much.